In this video, I will show you how you can blur the background in Photopea. First, head down to the water drop here. Scale out the size. And then you have to select your layer. I'll select layer 1 because this is my background. Then I can start blurring. The more I go over the same area, the more blurry it gets. As you can see right here, I go over it multiple times and it becomes much blurrier. As you can see right here, you can also adjust the strength. If you want more blur, you can see it blurs even harder. And then you go over it all again until you're satisfied with the result.